Are you a bead store owner wondering how you can easily increase your bead sales? What kinds of projects can you encourage that will use more beads in less time? Isn't there anything new out there that could invigorate your clients? Well, your solution has arrived. Bead mosaics are a fun and easy way to use all your favorite beads and, of course, need more. What's a bead mosaic, you ask? Well, it's the most innovative and tactile art on the market today, and it uses a lot of beads. Have you noticed all the different types of beads used in this one mosaic? Unlike traditional beading techniques, mosaics allows you to mix your favorite beads together in innovative and creative ways without stringing or grout. This jewelry for your walls is easy to learn and create, and it uses 10 times the number of beads in half the time of traditional jewelry projects. If you visit beadmosaic.com, you'll learn a lot more. There are free tutorials available for your clients. We give them the help they need to get them started and hooked, and you will see your sales go through the roof. Beadmosaic.com offers the supplies and support you need to help increase your bead sales. Keep your clients happy with a fun and innovative way to be creative with beads, no matter what their age or ability. Some of the dedicated resources available are a Facebook group with over 14,000 members already creating bead mosaics, an extensive YouTube channel that includes tons of tutorials that are ready to help your clients get started. We are here to help with ideas, examples, and supplies, but we don't sell beads. We want to help you give your clients a reason to buy more beads today. So check us out as soon as you get a chance and start increasing your sales right away.